Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this lesson, I would like to share on how to shrink into one page in Microsoft Word. Here, I have 2 pages of document. In the second page, I have only a few lines of sentences. Rather than printing this second page, let's fit this whole paragraph into the first page itself. Before that, you have to add shrink one page in your quick access toolbar. This is my quick access toolbar. Click on the drop down, select more commands, select all commands from the drop down list and look for shrink one page. Once selected, click on Add and OK. Now you'll be having your shrink one page icon in the quick access toolbar. Now let's select the whole document by pressing Ctrl A and click on the icon shrink one page. By doing this, I have made my 2 pages of document fit into one. Microsoft Word will automatically adjust your font size and spacing. That's all for this lesson. We will meet in another video. If you have any suggestions or would like to know more, please do leave your comments below. Thank you for watching.